Pennsylvanians are used to hearing from Dr. Rachel Levine about COVID-19 in the state, but she's also getting some unwanted attention. First News reporter Carolyn Sistran has the story of the undeserved comments directed toward the doctor.
Pennsylvania Health Secretary Dr. Rachel Levine has been at the forefront of COVID-19 efforts in the Keystone State, but has also been the brunt of comments about her identity.
All they're doing is making fun of and making comments that are disrespectful of her gender and of things of that nature.
Sharon resident Kevin Yolatowski is the moderator for the Mercer County LGBTQA+ Facebook group. He says that in Mercer County, he has overheard comments about Dr. Levine's identity as a transgender woman.
People are open and free to have public discourse around what are the best choices to keep Pennsylvanians safe and healthy during this pandemic. But there's a difference between that and directing those comments to the way that she looks.
Sarah Rosso, along with Alex Tatangelo and Coley Alston, joined me on a Zoom call this afternoon to discuss the situation. Alex Tatangelo is a nurse practitioner at Central Outreach, an inclusive wellness center in Beaver County. As someone in the healthcare field like Dr. Levine, Tatangelo says people are not focusing on the doctor's efforts to stop the spread of COVID-19. Instead, he says they're spreading hate.
It's not always the responsibility of members of the LGBTQ community to teach, cis heterosexual people like myself how to be an ally.
Rosso and Alston both work for the Hugh Lane Wellness Foundation in Pittsburgh, an organization that supports LGBTQ+ and HIV communities in Western Pennsylvania.
There are tons of books and authors. There are TED Talks. I would use those resources before you just run up to a trans person like, tell me about your experiences.
Everyone I spoke with this afternoon say they continue to support Dr. Levine for her work and dedication to keeping Pennsylvanians safe, no matter her identity.
So I'm really proud of Dr. Levine, and I'm really proud of Governor Wolf for taking a stand and standing up for trans folks. And I think Dr. Levine's quote is something that will stay with us forever.
Carolyn Sistran, WKBN 27 First News.